All right, moving on to the real world exponential problems. Over here, I don't know if it's a typo for you, but it's a typo for me. Remember that a growth problem is going to be 1 plus the rate. A decay problem is going to be 1 minus the rate. And the rate is just what it's changing by. And so let's see a couple of these and see how that works out so it jogs your memory. A town with a population of 5,000 grows 3% per year. So grows 3% means that I'm having a growth. This is a growth process. So I should be using 1 plus R in my formula, which is, A times 1 plus R raised to the T power. Find the population at the end of 10 years. So 10 years is T. So I have f of t equals, well, A is where it starts, the initial place. So here it's 5,000, is where it starts. And then it grows 3% each year. So that is 1 plus, remember to convert this 3% into a decimal. So 3%, and then you move the decimal place over twice, is 0.03. Raised to the T power, which is 10 in this case. So there is your formula, 5,000. You get that from where it starts. 1 plus, because it's growing, the percentage converted into a decimal, and then raised to the power of however many years that you are taking here. So now I'm just going to, in my calculator, again, I have this this very diligent but not as technical as yours at school. I'm going to go ahead and add these two. So 1 plus 0.03 is 1.03. I'm going to raise that to the 10th power, which gives me that long complicated decimal, but that's okay because, well, maybe, hopefully, I can use this calculator and hit times. Yep, and it did save my answer. Times 5,000. And that gives me, I guess, a complicated decimal. But since I'm dealing with, am I dealing with money here? Oh no, population. I'm dealing with people. So I need to just round to the nearest whole person. So here I have 6,719.58 people. So I guess since it's 0.58, this 8 would round that to a 6. The 6 would round that to a 0, which means it would be 6720. So 6,720 people. 6,720 people. If you said 600 or 6,719, you'd be close enough. The population after 10 years would grow to 6,720.